Hey, what's going on YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. This is Matt, and in this video, we're going over email marketing for beginners. Now, a lot of people have trouble coming up with emails or email copy swipes. Now, I do have this AI tool software called jasper AI, and it can write some really human-like emails. And if you want to edit it, you can. So I'm just going to show you an example right now. So this is a program I'm promoting right now, Nexus Rewards. So we're gonna click on Generate AI Content. I have it on 9 inputs. Okay. So I have it on this email here. So do you like saving money? Who doesn't? Right now, it's pretty human-like to me. And it says, what if I told you there was a way to save money on all the things you are already purchasing? All right, Ultimate Cashback Savings and Membership Club designed to help people make money on all the things they are already purchasing. Okay, now that's very detailed email. Okay, so now go over to the next one here. So you have 9 outputs, so you could generate like a 10-day follow-up or however long you want to follow up. So it goes, let's see, goes up to 10. So generate 10, probably 20-day follow-up series. And then, so what you're going to do, the second part of that is we're going to go to another free software tool called system.io. All right. Now, here it's an all-in-one email marketing suite or package. You could do funnels, blogs. Okay, so in this one, I'm going to go ahead and go to my emails, go to campaigns. Oh, let me go ahead and sign back in real quick. So we're going to go to emails and then campaigns. All right, for this example, we're just going to go ahead and click on create. And this one, just for the sake of time, is going to be test. Okay, so we'll do that. All right, and it says campaign has been successfully created. Okay, and then you're going to click on test, and then all you have to do is just simply add an email. Okay, so once you add your email, it's going to be in the sender name. Erase that and then put in your first name or whatever you want to send as, and then the sender email address. I do recommend creating a email address from like GoDaddy or Namecheap, and then you're gonna put in your subject. Okay, and it's just gonna be as simple as that. And then you're gonna, I would do Classic Editor for this, and you're gonna click on Create. Okay. All right. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna go back here. Okay, to the post we did, and then all you have to do is just copy and paste. You could edit it, of course. Okay, you could edit it in here. All right, and then you're gonna just copy and paste, and I'll show you right now. So just click on copy and paste, and then you're gonna go back to system.io, and then you're gonna put it in here, and then all you have to do is just check everything is in place, and then you just hit save. But for this, I'm just gonna hit cancel. All right, now so that's one way you could do it. And then you go to your funnel. Okay, all right, wait, hold on, let's see here. So I already have, well, I already have a funnel, test funnel here. And then so what you're gonna do, so you got step configuration, automation rules. You're gonna go to automation rules. Okay, you're gonna add action, and then subscribe to campaign. Choose campaign, and then you have your test. Okay, so it's as easy as that. All right, and then as I mentioned earlier, It is free of charge. Both options are, well, both programs. Jasper.io is they have a free trial, and system.io is also, they do have a free plan as well too. Now, if you are interested in joining any of those programs, go ahead and click on the link below. All right, thank you. Bye.